Alright, this is the 2-in-1 vacuum and tire pump, all in one little small, compact, very nice system. As you can see, up front, there is a flashlight button. There's the vacuum. You can switch this to. It comes with all the vacuum accessories like the wand, the scrubber, and extension tube. For the pump, you can pump up your car tire. It also comes with the DC plug. This also has a built-in battery, so you can recharge it using this with the USB. This comes with all the accessories, so if you need to pump up like pool inflator or basketball, football, then it comes with the needle. The system is right here on the side, which is really cool. You can set it to exactly what PSI you want, and it'll inflate directly to that. So that's really cool. So like if you want your tires to get pumped up to 31 PSI, then this will just start pumping, and it'll stop right when it reaches your indicator. So this is the back where you'll attach the pump cord to, and from there you'll be able to pump your tire. It's a very cool system, and it's very high tech because it has the PSI stopper. A lot of pumps don't have that, but this one does, so I think that's a very high quality device. And plus it has a flashlight. Come on, that's cool. If you're vacuuming or if you're pumping your tire, you want a light out there, and this light is more than bright enough to show exactly what you're doing as a task light. All right. This does come with an accessories bag, so everything will fit directly right back into the bag, making it easier to carry and leave it in your car. Again, this is the vacuum and a tire pump, all in one.
All right, so here's the vacuum here. It's quite interesting. I got it because not only is it a vacuum, it also is an air compressor. Probably a little mini one, but it looks like enough to do your tires here. You can turn it on, put the PSI that you want, and then and there it goes. Or if you turn it forward, it vacuums. It has a light on it too. Pretty easy to clean. Push that button, pop this out, and there you go. So this comes with several attachments. This one's here, so you can actually even do your bikes or your tires. As you can see, comes with a car adapter charger, just plugs in right here. Pretty simple. Comes with the USB. Doesn't come with the plug itself, but it comes with a charger, like a charging cord at least. It comes with some attachments here in case you needed to reach in more spots. See, that just pops on in there. And these, you can attach these with this. Comes with a nice carrying case. And then let's put it to the test here. Let's put this on. Set up a little dummy station here. See how well it works. Well, it seems to be working pretty well. Got all the pieces, even the small ones, as you can see.
This is the car vacuum. Let's see what they have in here. Has like a lot of accessories, hose. Let me take this out and check it out. Here's the vacuum itself. As you can see, it has a lot of accessories. Let's see, there's power in there. You can adjust the nozzle here. And you use that as a air pump. Here's the power for the car power. Actually, pretty nice vacuum, especially for the fall. Guess this is a charge.